Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the EVO. So I thought about it. I'm actually gonna hold off on the open belt conversion. I'm gonna run my stock setup, which is the closed chain primary. The reason is because the open belt is pretty expensive and I have a few trips coming up that I wanna save money for. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Put back the closed primary, align the spacing for the sprockets, and hopefully start on the sissy bar. Let's get started. Next, I gotta take off the wheel and put this axle adjustable in. I'm gonna remove the front pipe so I can take off the axle. straight. Right, got it out, shorten it. All right, so we got a little problem with this fender. First off, it's a great looking fender. I wish I can run it, but right now I'm trying to space it out, the fender and the tire, so it doesn't rub. I'm spacing it with a chain, like how I always do. And right here it looks good, on top looks good, but when you go down here, it's already touching the tire. So if I space it down here with a chain, the chain won't fit. And this is the max I can go. See, this is the max I can go. And also because it's a rib fender, the spacing over here is very limited. So yeah, I won't be able to run this fender. I'll probably save it for the next project or something. Next, I have a spare fender that I'm gonna throw on and see the fitment. All right, so here is the spare fender. It's a TC Bros 5-inch fender, and the spacing is a lot better than the other one. And you can see the radius is pretty even. I can put another chain like this over here and it won't rub. There's a lot of room to play around with. And there's a lot of space right here to mount the fender. But I'm not gonna be running this fender because I don't like how it's chopped off right here. So I'm gonna order the exact same one from TC Bros, so it'll be a little bit longer down right here, past the frame a little bit. That's how I want it. The other one would have been nicer, but this one would do. Yeah, I'll save that one for another project. Okay, next I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna be cutting and welding stuff. I don't want any metal shavings to go in here. So yeah, let's close it up. All right, next we're gonna mount the tank. Right now it's on by zip ties. So first I gotta drill holes on the tabs, and then drill and weld bungs into the frame. Got the bottom one done. All right, ready to drill. All right, got the tank mounted. I still got to weld the bungs to the frame. I'll do that in the next video. All right, got the tank mounted. I still got to weld the bungs to the frame. I'll do that in the next video. All right, to recap what we did today, I put back the primary chain, and then I put on the 530 chain, shorten it. The spacing is looking good. And then my rear fender didn't work out so well, so I gotta order a new one. And then once that come in, then I can start working on the sissy bar, weld on the fender mount and stuff. Then the oil tank. Once those are situated, then I can start making the exhaust brackets. But yeah, pretty slow progress today. But progress is still progress. All right, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.